Oh, I could have shot that. Dimer! Bro, you suck! Yeah, boy, pass the ball. There you go. Y'all suck! Dimer. Son, y'all are boo-boo! Oh my gosh, bro! I ain't cooking you, bro. We need to score. Oh my gosh! See, I'm not playing with y'all. Y'all don't take this game serious. Suck. Nah, fool.
Y'all garbage. Y'all garbage. Y'all better hop off the court.
Man. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Zyroo back in the building with another video. I know I haven't done a video in a long time, but I'm sorry. I am back. But, you know, I've been focused on another channel and stuff called DMV Lyrics. Link gonna be in the description. It's like a little lyric video. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But, today I got a 2K game clip, a whole bunch of trash talking, as you see. I was raging. I know. But, look. Y'all gonna like this gameplay. It's got a little couple music in the background, a little few edits here and there, you know. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what y'all want. I'm straight 2K17 Fortnite. I do not bang with 2K18. I do not like it at all. I pre-ordered it, all that. I do not like it. I can't stand it. I just don't like 2K18. I don't like it, y'all. So just let me know. Madden 18 videos coming soon. More 2K videos coming soon. Fortnite videos coming soon too. Let me know. I got y'all. So beginning of this gameplay, it's not really crazy as y'all can see, but I'm gonna just go on with the video. I hope y'all like the video. Be sure to keep watching. Be interested with it. Share it with your peoples. I hope y'all like it. It's Zyroo. Peace, and I'm out.
You got me, son?
Son, hold up, bro. I was just trying to do a party. Shut up. You suck. You suck.
You were actually guarding me, bro. Stop lying, bro.
On guard, I wasn't. Alright, you know what? Alright. I strapped up MGM. Now it's time to do you. I hate when people talk, bro. Give him the ball. Give him the ball. See, this is all y'all do. See? He can't strap up MGM like I did. I had MGM 5'4" On who I didn't have MGM 5'4" On who I did it. Dimer. He doesn't shoot threes. I don't know why he shot that. Whoa. Give him the ball. I don't want to guard MGM. I want to guard you. Oh my God. I'm tired of clamping up MGM. Can I please guard him? I want to guard him. Alright, 2K. Clamp up. And he need picks. This is ridiculous. He need picks. He need picks. Okay.
That nigga can't save him, shot take him to heaven. I need me a bad yellow bitch. You play with my money, get built on some cantaloupe shit. Only smoking on dope, these ain't camels, little bitch. Why that dog on your pick, but it's not on your hip? Why these niggas on Twitter, but not on they strip? Why these niggas some hitters and all of them miss? I got some of the ups where they all just a bit. If I'm down, I run up on the up with a dog on my hip, and then I need all of his shit. He say I'ma get you, I promise it, bitch. I'm like, nigga, shut up. You stayed your bitch ass in the street, should've went off to college.
You suck, MGM. Oh my gosh.
So that's why I'm robbing your shit. I don't give a fuck about forgiveness, just hope God forgive me for all of this shit. I tell my secrets that ain't really secrets. I can't tell my thoughts to no bitch. And I don't shit my dog with no nigga.
You suck. Shut up. I'm tired of clamping up MGM. I need some more competition.
Just look at him cheesing and shit. I gotta keep a dog on my hip, cause I'm in this beef like a bitch. I'll pull up, they gon' be sleep on our strip, and we the one shooting, we ain't playing D on our strip. I send these shots at him and leave bullet holes at them big that the shit should be sinking the ship. I asked that little bitch what you doing, she said I'm just thinking. I said you could think on his dick. I popped that nigga close range, splattered his brain, you can see what he think on the stage.
Oh my gosh, I know this missed the three.
But I don't got the time to be texting you.
Oh yeah, just to let y'all know, I do need some more people to play 2K17 with, play against people Madden 18, yeah, some little collabs, some YouTubers. If you're a YouTuber, let me know. I'm trying to play against y'all, so I'm dropping my PSN right here. So let me know.
He's going through the 3. Let him have that. Let him have that. Let him have that. Let him have that. Don't care about them 2.
Oh, I could just make your bitch come do my dish. No, I got that bag on my wish list, but you worry about me, that shit is ridiculous.
I don't miss. Oh my gosh. You terrible. Clamps. I'm tired of clamping you up. You do the same thing. Clamps. You suck. Get off the court, bro. Get off my court. Get off the court. Get off the court. You suck. Get off the court. All y'all get off the court. You suck. 17 on your head, MGM. You suck. I had 2 steals from you, MGM. Get out of here. I'm gonna let you finish talking. You don't cash out, you brick. Bye. Leave. You have a D as a grade. 17 on y'all head. Leave and exit. Y'all suck. You suck. Y'all literally suck. I had 17 on your head. 17 on your head. 17 on your head. 17 on your head. Shut up. 17 on your head. 17 on your head at the end of the day. 17 on your head. 17. 17. 17. 17. Shut up. Y'all suck. Oh my gosh. Man, I hope y'all like that little video. That's a little short video, a little teaser for y'all. So just make sure you comment below what you want. Madden 18 videos, 2K videos, Fortnite videos. It's your boy Zyroo and I'm out. Peace.